Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. Let's have a little update. It's day 9 and let's check in on those seedlings. Kashmiri merch to start with. These are going great. We're just starting to see a couple of true leaves starting to pop out now. Lovely stuff. Sweet banana's going well. The padrone's going nicely. Poblano just starting to pop up. Black jalapeno. Couple of hooks, slow starters, but they're coming along. Cayenne's looking great. Just about starting to see some true leaves there. And finally the Scotch bonnet MOA, we're just starting to get a little hook popping through there, which is great because I thought nothing was coming through on that, but in one day, there it is. Let's have a look at the next tray. Okay, tray 2, the Armageddon. Looking good as well. I might have to thin that one out. I'm going to try and pop that one in there. Zibrangi. Oh god, that one's a bit thin, a bit lanky. But they're looking alright. The pineapple was a bust. And the large orange tie. Looking good. Okay, tray 3. Tabasco's looking alright. There's a little drop there. Jalapeno. Super leggy. Buena Mulata. Super dark leaves. Looking good. Dreamcatcher. Already getting some speckles on there. Very nice. And the Scotch bonnets looking good, and we're just starting to see a bit of true leaves popping through. Let's hit tray 4. Okay, tray 4, the Sugar Rush Peach Stripies. Starting to come along nicely there. The ghost peppers, they're all looking good. Habaneros I thought weren't going to be doing any good at all. We got a bit of life, look. Little hook there. Very good. And then the Carolina Reapers. And then finally the Zimbabwe Black.